Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav first classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number which is 98367930076. If you have any mathematical query, doubts or anything, please feel free to contact. That means you can call on this number or you can WhatsApp also. Another thing, you can drop an email to our email ID which is souravclasses@gmail.com. Okay. Then you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, or you can join our online classes. So that will be beneficial for you. That means that will be beneficial for your upcoming preparation of upcoming examinations like PUMDET, ISI, CMI, NBHM, TIA for entrance tests also. Okay. So if you need any help from us, please feel free to contact. So now we are going to solve a problem which is appeared in the PUMDET and in the year of 2024, and the question is telling us that the integral of cos z by z cube dz, where our domain is mod z is equals to 2 equals to what? So there are four options here which are pi I, minus pi I, 2 pi I and minus 2 pi I. Okay, so now we need to evaluate the contour integral, which is this, and it is cos z by z cube dz. Okay, so where our contour is what? That is z mod z is equals to 2, is a positively oriented circle centered at origin. Okay, so now we are going to identify the singularities. That means the function inside the integral is what? We can easily see that the function is f of z, which is equals to cos z by z cube, and the singularity occurs at our z equals to 0. We can easily say that. So which is a pole of order 3. Now since the denominator is my z cube, so now we are going to calculate the residue. So that will be enough to calculate our integral. We know that. So now we are going to calculate our residue. Okay. So we use the Lorentz series expansion of cos z at z equals to 0. We know that our cos z is equals to summation of n equals to 0 to infinity, that will be minus 1 to the power n by that will be 2n factorial z to the power 2n. Okay, so now we are going to divide it by z cube. So we will get cos of z by z cube is equals to what? That will be summation n equals to 0 to infinity minus 1 to the power n. So that will be 2n factorial into z to the power 2n minus 3. To compute the contour integral, we need to find the coefficient of 1 by with the residue at z equals to 0. So from the series we see that the term with 2n minus 3 is equals to minus 1 gives the residue. Setting that is equals to this, so we will get 2n equals to 2, then our n will be 1. So now for our n equals to 1, the terms of the expansion will be minus 1 to the power 1 by 2 into 1 factorial, so which is 2 factorial. That means we will get 2 here, a z minus 1. So that will be minus half a z to the power minus 1 a. Thus the residue at z equals to 0 will be, that means our res f0 will be minus half. So our residue res f0 is equals to minus half. So now we are going to applying the residue theorem here. So by the residue theorem, the contour integral around mod z equals to 2 will be what? That is my integral of z to 2 cos z by a z cube dz, that will be 2 pi I into a residue of f comma 0. Sorry, f comma 0. So that will be minus half. So we will get 2 pi I into minus half. So our answer will be minus pi I. Okay, so I think this is our option B. Yeah. So our correct answer of this question will be our option B. Hope you understood, guys. Again, I am telling that if you have any mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, please feel free to contact us. Then you can join our batches, and our team can arrange a doubt clearing session for you. After that, you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sorav's classes. Okay. Thank you, guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.